Hello, this is Sophie Lawson from sophielawson.com, and this is another Click Look video where we quickly look at various art books and magazines. And today little Dennis is going to help us look at this one, which should hopefully be issue number 26 of the Character Design Quarterly magazine. So let's go and have a look at this one. So this is issue number 26, and the last one we looked at was this one, issue number 25. Loved that one. What I love about these Character Design Quarterly magazines is it's like quality. Everything about it is quality. So that was the last one we looked at, but my all-time favourite cover is still this one, issue number 6, by the artist Useche. That is a cool cover though. So little Dennis is going to get us into this one, and I wonder if it's going to be able to beat this one. So this one here is like 20, well, you get 4 a year. So this one must have come out in about a good few years ago. I'm not sure when, a very long time ago though, and it's still the best cover for me. Dennis is in. Dun, dun, dun. Look, he's seen it before us. Huh. Is it a good one, Dennis? He likes this one. Oh, it's orange. Oh, look. It's got cool. Oh, we got a female character. Yay. Woo! Fishies. I love fishies. I love that. I've always thought blue and orange is a lovely colour combination as well. That one's still my favourite though, I can tell, because that one's, I like this one though. What I like about this one is, oh look, I don't like that. Can you see the edgings a little bit? What's happened there is the paper's slightly come off of the cardboard or something. What I like about this one is the funness of it. It's cool, flying fishies. So little Dennis gets us in. Orange. It's an orange theme, this one. And it starts out with, oh look, 2023. When did this one come out then? Issue number 6 came out in 2008, look. 5 years ago now. 5 years ago. I'll put links and everything in the description for all the other ones, the previous ones, but we've got hoofs here. The paper is so thick on these, it's brilliant. So that's what we've got coming up in this one. I love this little character here. Look, his hands are actually up here. So those are pretend arms, I suppose. I've just got to let the cat out. Wants to go out now. She's funny, she is, because if you let her out, she wants to come in, and if she comes in, she wants to go out. Mental. I love this, look. Mila Useche. Mila Useche. I like the way her teeth is one shape, look. It's cool, that shape. I like the shape of her face. Yeah, these are cool characters, these are. Reminds me of Space Channel 5, that one. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh, I love that. I like that as well. I like her outfit. They're cool little characters, these are. Oh look, all the way from a little thumbnail. Look, they changed the shape of her. Hey look, that was the early idea. It's fascinating, isn't it? Seeing how the idea evolves. That's cool, that is. Yay, look. Back to basics. In time for Halloween. Start with the big bastard basic shapes. I love the feeling of this little character, look. Oh, it like makes you want to hug them. Yeah, these characters are brilliant. Who is this artist? Raahat Kaduji. I love their shapes. It's very interesting that they said start with basic shapes. And it's like the shapes which are coming out of the characters. Yeah, I love that. That's brilliant. Season of the Witch, look. So you've got big bastard basic shapes, and then a lot more detailed on these ones. Because somebody said in the comments on one of the other ones that a lot of the artwork in these character design quarterly magazines is all very like this, sort of big playful shapes. But look, this one isn't. This is a lot more almost sort of realistic. Huh. Hello. Cool, she's got a bow and arrow, look. Look, she's got little fangs as well. Little faces on. I love this character because she looks almost scary but very kind as well, because everything that's around her is happy. So if she was actually nasty, they wouldn't be smiling. The witching hour. Yeah, for me she's like a friendly witch. And I love the colours of that. Rachelle, Joy, Slingerland. Sara, Paz. I'm not keen on that colour combination. Like that. Look. Like a rainbow. That reminds me of a video game. Can't quite think of what it is though. That's beautiful, that one. I like that as well. But you can just see a hint of her bum. Nice little shape there, look. Like that. Yeah, it's actually like that, look. It's all like flowing. Cool. I like these when you get just like the heads. It's quite cool, that is. Elemental Artistry with Alex Jensen. Got little sketches and look, they're all colour coded. Water, electric, fire. Oh, that's interesting. Water, so they've actually gone with a different shape for each element. Yeah, electric like a lightning bolt. Fire, ball of fire, I suppose. Yeah. See, these have got other cool gestures in them. silhouettes. Hey, look, there they are. Almost looks like them. Look. Who's your favourite? That's my favourite one. Quite cool. A royal rendezvous. It looks a bit like the Pringles man. The character from the Pringles. Oh, cool. Yay, lilDENNiS' favourite bit, the gallery. I love that character. Look, how cool is this? How cool character is that, look? Andy Nay. Andy N.A. Thundercats. Almost like sort of camp Thundercats. Beautiful. Laura Dunitry. I love that. This is an artist to look into, look. Beautiful. Trash can critters. Reminds me of the cartoon Top Cat. Cool characters. I love these characters. You can sort of feel that that's a story there. I almost can feel like the relationships between all of these characters just by looking at them. Sam Nassour. Look, they were in issue number. They were the cover of Character Design Quarterly 11. It's just so fun. Nice shapes here. I remember that one. Look, big eyes. Oh yeah, cool. That's called purple, that is. Spring, summer burp. Cool, that is. Letting the Light In with Maxine V. Not keen on the colours again. Those colours are a bit dull for me. Although maybe by the end it's going to be nice and... Yeah, it is nice, look, by the end. It starts out very dull. But by the end it's quite nice. Pastel-y colours. Hijacked by Ben Eblin. It all starts with writing, look. Little aliens. That's quite interesting. Who's your favourite? Do you like the human or the alien? I think I like I'm not sure actually. I like both of them. Yeah, I can't decide on that one. There's a lot of naughtiness in that character. And he looks like a nice, somebody you'd like to have as your father. Looks like a very friendly, but sort of a very self-assertive but friendly person. Here they are, look, our little friends for this issue. Sara. Oh, look, got a little it's mad, isn't it? Seeing their faces. And that's it. And we end with hoofs again. Create honest art that you care about. I started to get noticed the moment I started being true to myself with the kinds of projects I wanted to work on. That's by Mila, Useche. Yeah, lilDENNiS has said it's game over on this one. I thought that was brilliant. The thing is, you see, I've never had a bad character design quarterly magazine. That's the thing. It's just brilliant. These are always brilliant. So I really hope you enjoyed that. It was a look at issue number 26 of the Character Design Quarterly magazine. And I shall see you later for another one.